Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should already be signed in and have your OBBY project open. Once ready, focus on the project settings. First, find the lobby ID field in the lobby or multiplayer panel. It's often labeled clearly. You enter the ID exactly as provided. Make sure you note digits and dashes because formatting matters. If you have multiple projects, confirm you're editing the correct one before typing. This avoids overriding another lobby and keeps your session linked correctly to the intended OBBY. Now, click the lobby ID box and clear any placeholder text, then paste or carefully type the ID you were given. You should copy-paste when possible to prevent mistyped numbers or misplaced dashes. Once entered, visually verify the length and allowed characters. After that, press Enter or click Save to apply changes. Make sure you see a confirmation or status icon indicating success. If the UI shows a loading spinner, wait until it completes before continuing to other settings. Finish by testing the lobby. Join from another account or a second device to confirm players connect to the same session. Once done, make sure the ID persisted in project settings and that the lobby shows active participants. If the save fails or players can't join, check your network, the project's permission settings, and that the ID matches the provider's expected format. For a key troubleshooting tip, inspect any error message or console log. It usually tells you whether it's a permissions, format, or connectivity problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.